Hello, little learners. Today's story is made up of short, simple sentences. This is the story of a brave lion king. Long ago, in Africa, there was a big lion king named Mufasa. He was kind, strong, and brave. Mufasa had a little lion cub. His name was Simba. Simba loved to run, play, and learn. He wanted to be a king, just like his father. But Mufasa's brother, Scar, was not kind. Scar was jealous. He wanted to be king. One day, Scar made a bad plan. He tricked Simba and made Mufasa fall. Mufasa was gone, and Simba was very sad. Scar told Simba to run away. So Simba left his home. Far away, Simba met two new friends, Timon the meerkat and Pumbaa the warthog. They taught Simba a happy song, Hakuna Matata, which means no worries. Simba grew big and strong. But one day, his friend Nala found him. She said, "Simba, you must come back. The land is dry. The animals are hungry. Scar is a bad king." Simba was scared, but he remembered Mufasa's words. A true king is brave. So Simba went back. He faced Scar. They had a big fight. At last, Simba won. Scar ran away. Now Simba was king. He stood on the big rock, and all the animals cheered. Simba learned, be brave, be kind, be a good leader. Let's learn some words from the story. Lion, a big, strong animal, the king of the jungle. Cub, a baby lion. Brave, not afraid, strong in the heart. King, the leader of animals or people. Friend, someone who cares for you. Repeat after me. Simba is a lion. Simba is a cub. Mufasa is a brave king. Nala is Simba's friend. Keep practicing, kids. Subscribe for more videos.